violation committed by respective individuals. Wala pa pong ganun eh. Kaya nga ho ngayon, ang komisyon, we form a task force again to look into these cases and determine accountability and hopefully come up with a recommendation to the relevant government agencies.
And you have a time frame for that? Time frame?
Wala pa ho kami na-set na time frame kasi nagsimula lang kami.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Senator Bato.
Mr.
Thank you,
Chair,
Mr.
one
Chair.
interjection.
Senator Bato de la Rosa.
I just would like to correct the chairman of the Commission on Human Rights about his statement that the PNP continues to deny documents or refuse to cooperate with any investigation being made by the Commission. I would like to cite to you, this is a news item from Inquirer.net in August 29, 2017. Ito alam ko, Inquirer.net is galit na galit ito sa war on drugs eh. Pero sabi, for the benefit of this committee, I would like to read. Ang headline is, PNP agrees to CHR request for documents on drug war deaths. Philippine National Police Chief Director General Ronald Bato de la Rosa met with Commission on Human Rights Chairman Chito Gascon, the late Chito Gascon. May his soul rest in peace. On Tuesday at Camp Crame for a dialogue on human rights and the war on drugs. In a press briefing after the meeting that went for about an hour, Gascon said they requested for the case folders of deaths involving police and the war on drugs that are under investigation, as well as the status of persons arrested still in jail. Gascon later told reporters in an ambush interview that the PNP agreed to make available the case folders involving deaths from illegal drugs starting May 10, 2016. So, nung ako pa ay Chief PNP, I was cooperating with the CHR. And pumunta pa nga si Chairman Gascon doon sa opisina ko at hiningi yung folder and we cooperated with them. Bakit yung report nyo ngayon ay sinasabi nyo hindi nag-cooperate ang PNP?
Mr. Chair, hindi naman po lahat ng request ng komisyon. Kaya nga ho sabi ko, isa sa mga naging problema sa investigasyon ay yung non-cooperation ng police. May mga pagkakataon na nagbibigay at mayroong pagkakataon na hindi talaga nagbibigay. At tinanong niyo ho kami ngayon.
Siguro mas maganda kasi nag-usap naman kami, no? Chief to chief. Chief PNP, chairman ng CHR, nag-usap naman kami. Kung may kailangan kayo, punta kayo sa Krame. Baka yung reklamo niyo punta sa mga station, baka yung mga tao doon sa station medyo mamaya na sir, hindi kami pwede magbigay kung walang clearance sa aming station commander. Parang gano'n siguro sinasabi sa inyo. Dapat nag-usap naman kami sa taas, doon na kayo sa amin doon na sa taas kayo maghingi, and the higher headquarters of PNP will direct the police station to provide the needed documents.
Ang problema po natin na hindi ho ganyan ang trabaho ng komisyon eh. Kasi kapag ang nangyari ho ang isang insidente, halimbawa sa isang lugar, sa probinsya, hindi naman ho, ang tao ho namin direktang pupunta agad do sa lugar eh, at may kipag-ugnayan sa mga relevant agencies, mga testigo at kung sino pang makakatulong sa investigasyon. Kung ang gagawin ho namin ay may kipag-ugnayan agad, muna kami sa central office, sa Krame, mahaba ho yung panahon. Kung
no, mas madali yun. You are wrong. You are wrong with your assumption. Mas madali yun kung direkta kayo sa Chief PNP. Ang Chief PNP, anong police station? Iloilo City Police Station? Okay. Iloilo. Kailangan na si Sir yung report niyan. Mas mabilis yun. Kaysa kung direkta ka doon, tapos wala doon ang Chief of Police, sabihin ng officer on case. Yung investigator on case, sir, pasensya na sir, hihingi mo na ako ng clearance dahil yung hipi namin, nandoon sa Krame, hindi ko makahingi ng clearance. Mas mabilis yun kung pero may usapan na kami.
Mr. Chair, ang tanong ko po ay kung bakit ho ang ibang mga police, ibang station nagbibigay at nakikipag-cooperate at bakit ho ang iba ay hindi?
Kaya nga, for uniform implementation of my guidance to all commanders down the line, dumirekta kayo sa krami. Dahil no way na hindi nila susundin yung utos ko kung dumaan kayo sa akin. Or for that matter, to the next Chief PNP na kung wala na ako, yung mga succeeding Chief PNP. Kasi may usapan na kami ni Commissioner Chairman Gascon.
Have you
Ano
tried,
dapat?
Mr. Chair?
Have you tried lately
Sa ngayon po-
to coordinate sa taas mismo?
Mr.
PNP?
Chair, yes, Mr. Chair, we wrote a letter to the Chief PNP, particularly pertaining to these cases, the killings in relation to the drug war. And again, they
Hindi,
refused.
merong pag-alinlangan to entertain you, to share or to address your need for information. Ang masakit nung kung may nasa site silang basis not to cooperate with you. Yan bang nangyayari sa ground?
Ang ginagawa pong basis pa rin is yung EO2 under the list of exceptions. Ang FEO2 po ay EO2 was issued 2016. It pertains to freedom of information na pinasa ng Office of the President before.
Can I
Chair.
request for parang some sort of a memorandum
Yes,
kung ano
yeah.
yung na-encounter yung difficulties para organize yung data? Yes, Senator Risa.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. And even while we're waiting for that memo, nakikita ko po sa gallery ang ating PLLO. Baka pwede na pong, if the Chair allows, pwede na pong i-explore ng PLLO, ma-rescind, o kung yung, ano yung tamang term, ma-rescind ng OP, ang Executive Order 2, and kung pwedeng ma-inform ang komite ng CHR, ano naman yung sinasite na issuances ng PNP National Headquarters sa Krame na basis for any of the police stations refusing to cooperate para matanggal na rin ang agam-agam ng lahat, klaro sa lahat na at the level of PNP National Headquarters, at the level of OP, the way is clear, and in fact, better kung pwedeng i-authorize ng OP or i-authorize ng PNP National Headquarters yung full untrammeled cooperation sa CHR, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Basta kami, willing to act kami, but we want yung real life ground level ninyo, experience ng CHR. Okay. So, okay,
Yes, Your
next in line to ask questions. And I
Mr.
hope-
Chair,
Mr. President, yes.
Kunti lang, total.
Go ahead.
Paminsan-minsan lang to. Pardon my strep set to may sore throat ako. So I do not mean to be disrespectful.
Hey, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Makati na yung strep cell to may. Pakinggan lang ho ninyo ako. Total, tinawag lang naman ninyo ako. Pakinggan ninyo yung kunting kwento ko. The human side. The human side sa misery ng drugs. Alam mo, mayor ako. Halos lahat ng problema ng alam mo, ikaw, alam mo rin, Mr. Chairman, alam mo yan. Yung may isang nanay pupunta ng Middle East. Yung iba, maswerte. Yung iba naman, malas. But usually, they are treated as slaves. Alam mo yung mga countries na yan, ang pagtingin kasi nila sa mga nagsilbi sa kanila, they are not even treated as servants. Almost ang tratamento nila as slaves. Itong nanay na ito, nagtrabaho ng 4 na taon sa labas. She keeps on remitting money to the family, hoping that yung pera niya, pinapadala niya doon sa asawa niya, maibigay doon sa mga anak para sa pag-aral ng mga bata